Hello everyone, I am Rosana Castiglioni, the Dean of Social Science and History at Universidad Diego Portales. I am honored to speak to you on behalf of our esteemed social science, education, and psychology faculties. I am delighted to connect virtually from the southern part of the globe and thrilled to present some dimensions in which we hope to expand and deepen our collaboration shortly, as we wish to diversify and strengthen our long-standing relationship with Leiden. UDP is a national and regional reference for social science, education, and psychology. Our university prides itself on its commitment to producing innovative, interdisciplinary research that addresses pressing societal issues and contributes to public debate, engaging with local and international actors to connect our scientific production to real-world problems. At UDP, we believe that academia should not exist in isolation. We actively seek to forge strong connections with our environment and address the needs of local communities. Our research initiatives tackle some of the most significant challenges facing our society today and in the future, such as migration, social inclusion, democratic backsliding, social inequality, climate change, and energy transition. Chile offers a national laboratory to explore these and other issues increasingly pressing beyond the Global South.
In the Faculty of Social Science and History, scholars from different disciplines, including anthropology, history, political science, and sociology, are working on some of the most pressing issues affecting Chile and Latin America. One of our fundamental research focus is inequality. We are interested in the causes and consequences of inequality based on ethnicity, gender, disabilities, place of residence, and nationality. Our faculty holds an observatory of inequalities and several projects that produce knowledge of the conditions that enable the development of a democratic and ecologically sustainable society. To illustrate this, we hold the Nucleus on Disabilities and Citizenship, analyzing how people with disabilities construct and negotiate citizenship around political participation, sexuality, reproduction rights, and healthcare. Another line of research studies environmental policies and climate change. We are particularly interested in the political dynamic of green economies, the sociocultural responses to climate crisis, and indigenous people perceptions on climate change and policies related to climate justice.
Moving on to the area of education, we emphasize innovative teachings, methodologies. We also investigate the factors related to successful learning with a special focus on math and educational equity. Our research, in general, explores diverse topics including child cognitive and socio-emotional development and its relation with learning, the quality of interaction that ensure learning in early childhood classrooms, and the socio-emotional well-being of early childhood education teachers. Also, in collaboration with two other universities, we run a center focused on the study of early mathematical abilities development, named MEMAT, that seeks to understand early mathematical development and to promote mathematical learning for all children. Here at MEMAT, we study how young children's mathematical experience in multiple contexts contribute to equitable learning opportunities and to understand the mechanisms that ensure successful mathematical trajectories in the future, with a focus on gender and SES gaps. For example, emotional and motivational mechanisms associated with the development of early mathematical skills, like math self-concept, math gender stereotypes, and math anxiety, and whether they affect low SES students and girls differently.
Lastly, in the area of psychology, we engage in areas such as clinical psychology, developmental psychology, neuropsychology, and organizational behavior. Our researchers are dedicated to addressing mental health challenges in our communities, promoting well-being through evidence-based practices. We focus on understanding human behavior in depth, with the aim of making a positive impact on both individual lives and society as a whole. For example, we pioneered the Cerebros initiative to generate a community of brain lesion survivors and their loved ones linked to our neuropsychological rehabilitation unit. Also, we pioneer mobile brain-body imaging in the Global South, allowing us to study cognitive processes both in laboratory and in real-world settings. We have explored neurodynamics in the laboratory and real-world tasks involving urban environments, neuroergonomics, arts, and the therapeutics, to name a few.
In conclusion, we hope to have given you valuable input about the opportunities that might lie ahead for UDP, Leiden, and particularly FSW. UDP can be your hub in South America through our network of collaborations in Chile and other parts of Latin America. Together with our dedicated faculty members and passionate students, we are committed to making a meaningful impact both locally and globally. We hope to collaborate with you to address new challenges based on complementary strength and interest during this and the coming academic years.